How to use the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card smartly. Using a credit card wisely can offer you substantial rewards and benefits. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is no exception, with its attractive cash back incentives and other perks. First, familiarize yourself with its primary feature, unlimited 2% cash back on purchases. This flat rate makes it simple to maximize rewards without needing to track spending categories. To utilize this feature effectively, use the card for daily expenses like groceries, gas, or dining out. If you're disciplined with payments, consider using it for larger purchases to enjoy more cash back, ensuring you have a plan to pay off the balance promptly. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid high interest rates, which can negate the benefits of your cash back rewards. Set up automatic payments to keep your payments timely and maintain a good credit score. If you can't pay in full, focus on paying more than the minimum to reduce accrued interest. Take advantage of the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card's introductory offer, often featuring a bonus if you meet certain spending thresholds within the first few months. Plan your spending strategically during this period to maximize rewards. Another feature to explore is utilizing built-in security, like fraud monitoring and zero liability protection. Additionally, leveraging digital wallets for card transactions can add an extra layer of security. Familiarize yourself with any special offers or rotating categories Wells Fargo may offer throughout the year. Occasionally, promotions might enhance cash back or offer discounts with specific retailers, so keep an eye out. Finally, regularly review your statements to track spending and cash back earnings. This practice helps you stay aware of your financial habits and catch any unauthorized transactions early. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more finance tips and advice.